Our next problem is find the point of extremum and the extreme value for the given function f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x. Here given f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x. Find f dash of x, that is derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of 3x is 3. Now to find extreme values or points of extreme values means maximum and minimum values. F dash of x is equal to 0, that is 3x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Take 3 common, 3 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus or minus 1. These are points of extremum. So the points at which we will get maximum or minimum values. So next to find f double dash of x, that is second derivative. Here 3x square, that is 3 into 2x derivative minus derivative of 3 is 0. This is equal to 6x. Now at x is equal to plus 1, f double dash of 1 is 6 into 1, that is 6, which is greater than 0. Therefore f of x will have minimum value at x is equal to 1, and the minimum value is f of 1, that is equal to 1 cube minus 3 into 1, that is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 is the minimum value of the given function. Similarly at x is equal to minus 1, f double dash of minus 1 is equal to 6 into minus 1, that is equal to minus 6. F double dash is less than 0 implies f of x will have maximum value at x is equal to minus 1, and the maximum value is f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2. 2 is the maximum value of the given function. Our next problem is find the points of extreme and extreme values for the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. Here given f of x is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 15. First find f dash of x, that is derivative. Dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 6 into 2x is 12x plus 9 into derivative of x is 1, derivative of 15 is 0. So for maximum or minimum, first make f dash of x is equal to 0, that is 3x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. Take 3 common here, 3 into x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation, factorize it. So roots are here, x minus 3 into x minus 1 are the factors. Therefore x is equal to 1 or 3. So next find f double dash of x, second derivative, that is 3x square, 3 into 2x is 6x minus 12. Now at x is equal to 1, f double dash of 1 is equal to 6 into 1 minus 12, 6 minus 12 is minus 6, less than 0. Therefore f of x will have maximum at x is equal to 1, and the maximum value is f of 1 is equal to 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 9 into 1 plus 15, 24, 25 minus 6, that is equal to 19. Similarly, at x is equal to 3, f double dash of 3 is 6 into 3 minus 12, 18 minus 12 is 6, less than greater than 0. 6 greater than 0 means f of x will have minimum value. At x is equal to 3, and the minimum value is f of 3, that is equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 9 into 3 plus 15, that is this is 27, 9 6 are 54 plus 27 plus 15, 54 gets cancelled, that is equal to 15. 15 is the minimum value of the given f of x. Our next problem is find the extreme values for f of x is equal to e power x. Here given f of x is equal to e power x, find f dash of x. Derivative of e power x is again e power x. For maximum or minimum, f dash of x is equal to 0, that is e power x is equal to 0. So here e power x is never 0 for any x belongs to R. So therefore e power x is equal to 0 is not possible, since so here f dash of x cannot be 0 implies if f of x is equal to e power x does not have or cannot have any maximum or minimum. This is one method. Our next problem is find two positive numbers whose sum is 50, sum is 12, and the sum of their squares is minimum. Let x comma y be the positive numbers. Here given that x plus y is equal to 12 and sum of squares minimum. So sum of squares is x square plus y square. Here y is equal to 12 minus x. So here x square plus y square means 12 minus x whole square. Let us take this as f of x. Next find f dash of x, that is x square derivative is 2x. Here 2 into 12 minus x minus 1. So for maximum or minimum f dash of x is equal to 0, that is this is 2x minus 2 into 12 minus x is equal to 0. This is 2x is equal to 2 into 12 minus x. 2 gets cancelled, therefore 2x is equal to 12 implies x is equal to 6. Next find f double dash of x, that is 2 minus 2 into minus 1, that is equal to 4, which is greater than 0. F double dash is positive implies f of x has minimum value at the point of extremum. Point of extremum is x is equal to 6. So that is the required value. X is equal to 6 means y is equal to 12 minus x, that is also 6. X is equal to 6 and y is also 6 are the required values. Find the shortest distance from point minus 6 comma 0 to x square minus y square plus 16 is equal to 0. Here given x square minus y square plus 16 is equal to 0. Let x1 comma y1 is any point, on graph of 1. Let this be 1. Okay, implies x1 square minus y1 square plus 16 is equal to 0, implies y1 square is equal to x1 square plus 16. Now given point minus 6 comma 0, let this be p, let this be a. Now distance pa is equal to root of x1 plus 6 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. Pa square is equal to x1 plus 6 whole square plus y1 square. Here y1 square is equal to x1 square plus 16. That is the distance. So let it be the function of x. Let it be function f of x is equal to x plus 6 whole square x square plus 16. Find a derivative f dash of x is equal to 2 into x plus 6 plus 2x plus 0. Now for maximum or minimum f dash of x is equal to 0. That is 2 into x plus 6 plus 2x is equal to 0. That is 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 12 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to minus 3. Now f double dash of x is equal to 2 in 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4, which is greater than 0. Therefore f of x has minimum value at x is equal to minus 3. Find the shortest distance he asked. Therefore minimum value or shortest distance is nothing but the f of minus 3. Put x is equal to minus 3 in f of x, minus 3 plus 6 whole square plus minus 3 square plus 16. This is 3 square, 9 plus 16, that is 9 plus 9, 1834. This is f of x. F of x is pa square. So but we need pa. Therefore shortest distance pa is equal to root 34. This is pa square. Therefore pa shortest distance is root 34. Find the point on y square is equal to x which is nearest to 4 comma 0. Here given y square is equal to x, let px comma y is any point on graph of 1. Given another point a4 comma 0, pa distance pa is equal to root of x minus 4 whole square plus y square. Pa square is equal to x minus 4 whole square plus y square. So but from 1 y square is equal to x plus x. So let it be f of x. Now f dash of x is equal to, find the derivative, 2 into x minus 4 plus 1. Now for maximum or minimum, f dash of x is equal to 0. So that is 2x minus 8 plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 7 implies x is equal to 7 by 2. Now find f double dash of x, that is second derivative, that is 2 into 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore f of x has minimum value at x is equal to 7 by 2, and the minimum is f of 7 by 2. Put x is equal to 7 by 2 in f of x, that is 7 by 2 minus 4 whole square plus 7 by 2, that is equal to, this is 2 4 8, 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4 plus 7 by 2. This is 2 14 15 by 4. So this is pa square, but we need pa, shortest distance. Pa is equal to shortest distance, pa is equal to root 15 by 4. But he asked to find the point now. Therefore point p is x comma y. So that is x comma y square is equal to x, means y is equal to root x. Here x is equal to 7 by 2. Root x means root 7 by 2 is the point on the graph which is near to the given 4 comma 0. For what values of x greater than 0, f of x is equal to log x by x is greatest. Here given function f of x is equal to log x by x. Find derivative, f dash of x is equal to, apply division rule, x into derivative of log x is 1 by x minus log x into derivative of x is 1 by x square. This is 1 minus log x by x square. So for maximum or minimum, f dash of x is equal to 0, that is 1 minus log x by x square is equal to 0, implies 1 minus log x is equal to 0, log x is equal to 1. So that is x is equal to e. Find f double dash of x. So here f double dash of x means, again apply u by v rule, this is f dash of x, x square into what derivative of 1 0 minus log x 1 minus 1 by x. This is minus 1 minus log x into 1 by x square, derivative is minus 2 by x cube divided by x power 4. This is minus x, this is plus 2 by x cube by x power 4. Here put x is equal to e. We got the point of extremum, x is equal to e. So at x is equal to e, if double dash of x is equal to minus e plus this will be 0 by this is e power 4 which is less than 0. Therefore at x is equal to e, we will get the maximum value. F of x has maximum for x is equal to e.